Day 11. Good morning from Scottsdale. Actually, Old Town Scottsdale.
Old Town Scottsdale.
Town Scottsdale. I gotta tell you, we've stayed in two. What are these Marriott?
Marriott somebody or another. This is a
Courtyards.
The other one was a Marriott some suites or something. I don't know. It was a little different.
Yeah, but very good, very clean. The hotels have been fabulous. Hotels are really doing a great job at keeping clean. Actually, the one in Las Vegas, you walk to the room and there's a piece of tape over the door, like it's a crime scene, yet it's letting you know that they've been sanitized.
Sanitized for your protection.
For your protection. Not ours, but yours. So the plan for today is to spend a couple hours walking around Old Town Scottsdale. Kirsten has a bunch of things she wants to photograph, do a little bit of shopping, have lunch with a fellow RIT alumni, and then head on up to Sedona. We'll keep you posted throughout the day. What are you up to? What do you have to say today?
We may take a left in Albuquerque, like Bugs Bunny, just to make sure we don't get lost. I may have a couple other stops. I don't know. Are we going through Albuquerque today?
No, we're not going to New Mexico today. No.
Albuquerque. Oh, that's right. It's New Mexico. Not Mexico. Albuquerque today.
No Albuquerque today. But you never know what could happen. Stay tuned.
Okay. Whoa, we're going to drive off the cliff. So much for camera adjustments.
Simon. Oh, okay, we're in and out of cell service. We had a fantastic lunch at AZ88. If you're ever in the area, you should check it out. In Old Town Scottsdale. We also have stimulated the economy in Old Town Scottsdale, didn't we?
The economy is much better off since our visit.
It's a little upsetting because probably 40% or so of the stores are either out of business, and then there's probably another 10% that are struggling to even stay in business. It's kind of sad. So we did our part to buy some stuff and keep that going. We are now on to our next stop, which is Sedona, to go and take pictures of cactuses.
Commune with the cactuses, because it's the saguaros that have their arms up, so they're all very, very friendly. They're like the meerkat of the cactus world.
They don't
look
want to be
like they're waving or they're surrendering. I haven't decided. I'm sure I'll find waving cactuses and surrendering cactuses. We'll compare those later.
Yes, so we're going to go see those. We're going to go up to Airport Mesa and probably enjoy the sunset. Hopefully I can get my drone working today, like I'm not in an illegal area, or there's not a situation where the wind is 95,000 miles an hour and it just blows away without even turning on. So this is probably our last warm day, depending on what happens tomorrow when we head even further east.
Into the snow.
Apparently so.
Which is, not a big deal for me.
That's every day in Syracuse.
That's like, you go from 80 degrees to snow, like in a 3-day span in Syracuse, so it's like regular stuff.
A reason why I no longer live in Western New York. What you are about to see is something so truly amazing happening in the wild. You may never see it again. Such an act has never been caught before, of this being doing something so outside the realm of its natural habitual behavior. Once you see this, one of three things will happen. You too will be amazed at what has just taken place. Number two, I could be dead. And number three, if so, it's been a pleasure. This is the top and the end of the day. Believe it or not, Kirsten is all the way up here. She climbed all the way up. Well, now we're seeing the back of it, but she climbed all the way up to the top.
To see the view. To see the sights.
To see the sights. All the way up here on Airport Mesa. I'm not sure she's going to make it down. She's not sure she's going to make it down. We're going to hope for the best.
Because there's some up to the down, so that is where the problem is.
There is some up, so we can get all the way up to the peak where we want to go ahead and shoot sunset. So I guess I'll show that to you later, but
I'm alive at this moment.
I'm impressed.
If I don't return, you'll know that I am dead on the trail.
We hope not.
Too far up.
Yeah, but you made it.
I always make it. It just takes me 4 times longer than regular people.
I'm impressed.
Well, it's either that or
look how red
send
your
out
face is.
I know, because all the blood's in my face.
I'm still alive. I made it back to the top where the car was.
And that's the point, right?
After someone said, we'll park at the top and then drive down so we wouldn't have to walk the traily thing.
Well,
lies and propaganda.
Well, you survived. That's a positive.
Yeah.
We didn't have to change the theme of this trip to, you know,
I didn't have to
lost
call
someone over the cliff.
Yeah, didn't have to call Johnny and Roy to rescue me off the.
Didn't have to helicopter you off of
Yeah.
Airport Mesa.
So.
But I must say I'm impressed. You did it.
Yay!
Congratulations. You deserve dinner now.
I do deserve dinner. However, there were no saguaro cactuses, so we have to find some of those in the morning.
All right. Well,
because I was promised cacti.
Well, I'm doing my best here. I don't control Mother Nature. I think on the way out we'll
You
find some.
implied there were cacti here.
I swear I saw a cacti the last time I was here.
They were the
But,
little scrubby ones.
Maybe global warming. I don't know.
Cactuses like it warm.
They do. But all right. So it's Sedona tonight, and then on our way for more adventures tomorrow. But happy to report that Kirsten survived, and in the process didn't kill me for her.
It's only because he can outrun me when we're going uphill.
That's a resume builder for me. That's definitely an advantage.
It's a key to your survival at this point.
It's a key to my survival, exactly. So, as we did enjoy sunset over Sedona, and we'll catch up to you tomorrow.